Unlocking the Secrets of the Mediterranean Diet, a Journey to Wellness. Imagine embarking on a journey where every meal is a step towards a healthier, vibrant life. This is the promise of the Mediterranean diet, a path paved with the richness of whole grains, fresh fruits, and heart-healthy fats that have captivated nutritionists and food lovers alike. Its benefits extend far beyond tantalizing your taste buds, offering a proven blueprint for transforming your health. One individual story stands out, highlighting the diet's profound impact. After years of struggling with health issues, they turned to the Mediterranean way of eating. The result was nothing short of miraculous, with significant improvements in their overall health markers. This transformation was not just a testament to their perseverance, but a clear indicator of the diet's potential. The origins of the Mediterranean diet trace back to the coastal regions of Greece, Italy, and Spain, where the diet is more than just a way of eating. It's a lifestyle. Rooted in meals shared with family and friends, it emphasizes the consumption of plant-based foods, olive oil as the primary fat source, and fish and poultry consumed in moderation. This diet reflects the cultural heritage and the bountiful produce of the Mediterranean region. Heart health emerges as a standout benefit of this diet. Numerous studies have linked it to reduced risks of heart disease, attributing this effect to its emphasis on olive oil, nuts, and fish, which are rich in healthy fats. Experts in the field often cite the diet's balance and nutritional completeness as key factors in promoting cardiovascular wellness. A real-life example underscoring this benefit involves an individual who, after adopting the Mediterranean diet, experienced a remarkable improvement in her heart health. Their journey, marked by lowered cholesterol levels and improved blood pressure, serves as a powerful testament to the diet's efficacy in fostering a healthier heart. These engaging graphics vividly illustrate the heart-healthy components of the Mediterranean diet, making complex nutritional information easily digestible. These colorful charts and animations highlight the benefits of olive oil, nuts, and fish, simplifying the science behind heart health. Joy's testimonial brings the diet's impact to life as she recounts her journey to improved heart health after embracing Mediterranean eating habits. Her story, accompanied by before and after health metrics, offers a personal touch that data alone cannot convey. Scientific research underpins the diet's role in sustainable weight management. Graphs and studies detail how a balance of whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats contributes to long-term weight loss, challenging the quick-fix diet culture. Another success story emerges, showcasing a person's achievement in not only losing weight, but maintaining it through the Mediterranean lifestyle. Their narrative, filled with challenges and triumphs, will inspire you to consider your own dietary choices. Okay, let me ask you a question. Have you ever reflected on your dieting struggles and preferences? I encourage you today to think critically about how the Mediterranean diet could fit into your lives. In a captivating documentary-style interview, we meet a centenarian who attributes their remarkable longevity to the Mediterranean diet. Their vibrant spirit and sharp mind serve as a testament to the diet's life-extending benefits. A nutritionist then sheds light on the anti-aging effects of the Mediterranean diet. By emphasizing the consumption of antioxidants found in olive oil and fresh produce, they explain how this diet combats oxidative stress, contributing to a youthful body and mind. Comparing the Mediterranean diet to other popular diets highlights its unique advantages. Unlike restrictive fads, it focuses on a balanced intake of diverse nutrients, promoting long-term health without sacrificing the enjoyment of food. The nutritional breakdown of the Mediterranean diet reveals its heart-healthy components. Olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fats, alongside a variety of whole grains and fatty fish, forms the cornerstone of this nourishing diet. DIY meal planning tips make adopting the Mediterranean diet approachable. Simple recipes, focusing on fresh ingredients and easy preparation, help you integrate these healthful eating habits into your daily lives, paving the way for lasting wellness. Look at this lovely couple who has embraced their lifestyle through the Mediterranean diet. Their journeys offer a mosaic of inspiration to everyone around them. The science behind the Mediterranean diet's benefits is fascinating yet straightforward. It hinges on the consumption of healthy fats, lean proteins, and an abundance of fruits and vegetables, illustrating how these components synergize to support overall health. Debunking myths about the Mediterranean diet is crucial. Many believe it's expensive or restrictive, but in reality, it's quite accessible and flexible. Clarifying these misconceptions encourages more people to consider its holistic approach to nutrition. Daily tips for incorporating the Mediterranean diet into one's lifestyle can be simple and transformative. Small changes, like opting for whole grains or including a variety of vegetables in meals, make the diet an attainable goal for everyone. Embarking on a 30-day Mediterranean diet challenge, we invite you to transform your eating habits and discover a world of vibrant flavors and health benefits. It's an opportunity to explore nutritious meals while nurturing your body. We've curated a wealth of resources to guide you on this journey, from detailed meal plans to great videos. Also, watch out for our meal plan journals and ebooks to guide you properly. These tools are designed to empower your transition to the Mediterranean diet, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience. Engage with our community by sharing your progress and experiences. Your stories are a beacon of inspiration, showcasing the tangible impacts of the Mediterranean diet on health and well-being. Together, we celebrate each milestone, big or small. As we compile testimonials from those who've embraced the Mediterranean diet, their success stories are a testament to the power of mindful eating. These narratives highlight the transformative effects of the diet, from revitalized health to newfound culinary passions. If you find this video interesting, please help us to grow by subscribing to our channel so that we continue to create more healthy videos for you. Thank you. Concluding with a heartfelt thank you, we're grateful for your curiosity and willingness to embark on this dietary adventure. Your enthusiasm fuels our mission to spread the word about the Mediterranean diet's life-enhancing benefits. In wrapping up, it's clear that the Mediterranean diet offers a plethora of health benefits, from bolstering heart health to aiding in weight management and promoting longevity. Its emphasis on whole foods, healthy fats, and lean proteins provides a balanced and sustainable approach to eating that not only nourishes the body, but also the soul. The stories and insights shared today underscore the transformative power of this diet on individuals' lives across the globe. Looking ahead, the Mediterranean diet continues to pique the interest of researchers and health enthusiasts alike, promising discoveries and innovations in nutritional science. Its adaptability and deliciousness make it a compelling choice for anyone looking to enrich their dietary habits and embrace a healthier lifestyle. We're immensely grateful for your engagement and enthusiasm throughout this journey into the heart of Mediterranean cuisine and its remarkable health benefits. Your curiosity and willingness to explore new dietary horizons inspire us to bring even more valuable content your way. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest in health and nutrition, ensuring you never miss out on cutting-edge insights and practical tips for enhancing your well-being. Your journey towards a healthier, more vibrant life is just a click away. In closing, let's remember that adopting the Mediterranean diet is more than a dietary change. It's a step towards a more fulfilling and healthful life. Embrace the journey with openness and excitement, and witness the transformation unfold within you.